Garlic. It's a kitchen staple, a flavor enhancer, and a breeze to grow. This humble bulb has been cherished for centuries, not just for its culinary uses, but also for its medicinal properties. From ancient civilizations to modern kitchens, garlic has found its place in the hearts and homes of many. Growing garlic is surprisingly simple and incredibly rewarding. Whether you have a sprawling backyard garden or just a sunny windowsill, you can cultivate your own garlic with ease. The process starts with planting individual cloves in well-drained soil, ensuring they have enough space to grow. Garlic is versatile and can thrive in various environments. If you live in an urban area with limited space, don't worry. Garlic can be grown in containers on your balcony or even on a windowsill. All it needs is some sunlight, water, and a bit of care. Imagine the satisfaction of plucking fresh garlic from your garden, the aroma filling the air with its pungent, delightful scent. There's something magical about growing your own food, knowing exactly where it came from and the effort you put into nurturing it. That's the magic of growing your own food. It's not just about the end product, but the journey of watching your plants grow and flourish. Each bulb of garlic you harvest is a testament to your dedication and care. And the best part? Garlic is a cinch to cultivate. It doesn't require much maintenance, making it perfect for both novice and seasoned gardeners. With just a little effort, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest. Let's dive into the world of garlic gardening. With a little patience and care, you'll soon have a garden full of fresh, aromatic garlic ready to enhance your meals and bring joy to your kitchen. Garlic is packed with health benefits. It's a natural immune booster. Garlic is also said to help regulate blood pressure. And let's not forget its culinary versatility. But the best part about growing garlic? It's incredibly easy. Garlic is a low-maintenance plant. It thrives in well-drained soil and sunshine. Whether you choose containers or a garden bed, garlic adapts. This makes it an ideal choice for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. Before you start planting, let's talk garlic varieties. Garlic is a versatile and essential ingredient in many cuisines around the world. Understanding the different types of garlic can help you make the best choice for your garden and kitchen. There are two main types, softneck and hardneck. Each type has its own unique characteristics and benefits, making them suitable for different growing conditions and culinary uses. Softneck garlic, as the name suggests, has soft stems. These stems are flexible and can be easily braided, which is a traditional method of storing garlic. Softneck garlic stores well, often lasting for several months when kept in a cool, dry place. This long shelf life makes it a favorite among home gardeners and commercial growers alike. It's the type you often find in supermarkets. Softneck garlic is commonly used in everyday cooking due to its mild flavor and ease of use. It's also the type most often used to make garlic powder and other processed garlic products. Hardneck garlic, on the other hand, has a stiff stem. This type of garlic is known for its hard central stalk, which is actually a flower stem called a scape. Scapes are curly, flavorful shoots that can be harvested and used in cooking. They add a unique garlicky flavor to dishes and are often used in pestos, stir-fries, and salads. Harvesting the scapes can also help the garlic bulbs grow larger, as the plant's energy is redirected from producing flowers to developing the bulb. Hardneck garlic has a more robust flavor. This type of garlic is often preferred by chefs and food enthusiasts for its complex and intense taste. It's ideal for dishes where garlic is the star ingredient. It doesn't store as long as softneck garlic. Hardneck garlic typically lasts for about 3 to 6 months, so it's best used relatively soon after harvest. Choose the type that suits your taste and needs. Whether you prefer the long-lasting, mild flavor of softneck garlic or the robust, complex taste of hardneck garlic, there's a variety that's perfect for you. Consider your growing conditions, storage options, and culinary preferences when making your choice. Short on space? Don't worry. Garlic thrives in containers. Choose a pot that's at least 12 inches wide and deep. Garlic loves well-drained soil. Use a good quality potting mix. When planting garlic cloves, remember, pointy end up. Plant each clove about 2 inches deep and 4 inches apart. Water well after planting. Place your pot in a sunny spot. Your garlic will thank you for it. No-dig gardening is a great way to grow garlic. It's easy on your back and good for the soil. Choose a sunny spot in your garden. Clear away any weeds or debris, then add a thick layer of compost. Compost enriches the soil and provides nutrients. Use a hand trowel to make small holes for your garlic cloves. Plant them about 2 inches deep and 6 inches apart. Water well and watch your garlic grow. Garlic is typically planted in the fall. This is because garlic needs a period of cold to develop properly. Planting in the fall allows the cloves to establish roots before the winter sets in. This head start is crucial for the garlic to grow strong and healthy. When planting, make sure to choose a sunny spot in your garden with well-drained soil. Break apart the garlic bulbs into individual cloves, keeping the papery skin intact. Plant each clove about 2 inches deep, with the pointed end facing up. This gives it time to establish roots before winter. The roots will grow slowly during the colder months, anchoring the plant and preparing it for the burst of growth in the spring. It's fascinating to see how nature works, giving the garlic a head start even when the ground is cold and seemingly lifeless. In colder climates, you can mulch around your garlic plants. Mulching is an essential step in garlic cultivation, especially in regions where temperatures drop significantly. A thick layer of mulch, such as straw or leaves, helps to insulate the soil, keeping it warmer and protecting the roots from frost damage. This layer also helps to retain moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering. Mulch helps to insulate the soil and protect the roots from frost. It acts as a blanket, ensuring that the garlic plants remain snug and safe throughout the winter months. As the mulch breaks down, it also adds organic matter to the soil, enriching it and providing additional nutrients for the growing garlic. Garlic takes about 8 to 9 months to mature. During this time, you'll witness a remarkable transformation. From the initial planting in the fall, the garlic will slowly develop roots, then sprout green shoots in the spring, and finally grow into tall, robust plants by summer. Patience is key, as the garlic needs time to develop its full flavor and size. You'll know it's ready for harvest when the leaves start to brown. Spring brings green shoots. As the garlic matures, the leaves will gradually turn yellow and brown, signaling that the bulbs are ready to be dug up. This is an exciting time for any gardener, as it marks the culmination of months of care and attention. Keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged. Garlic prefers consistent moisture, but too much water can lead to rot. Water the plants regularly, especially during dry spells, but ensure that the soil drains well. Overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering, so finding the right balance is crucial. Enjoy the journey, and soon you'll be harvesting your own garlic. The satisfaction of pulling up a fully grown garlic bulb from the soil is unmatched. Not only will you have a fresh supply of garlic for your kitchen, but you'll also have the pride of knowing you grew it yourself. However, a little care goes a long way. Water your garlic regularly, especially during dry spells. Weeding is important. Weeds compete with your garlic for nutrients and water. Fertilize your garlic in spring with a balanced fertilizer. This gives it a boost for bulb development. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases. With proper care, your garlic will thrive. When the lower leaves turn brown, it's time. Gently loosen the soil around the bulbs. Lift the garlic plants carefully. Avoid damaging the bulbs. Brush off excess soil. Bundle your garlic and hang it in a well-ventilated area. Let it cure for a few weeks. Curing enhances the flavor and storage life of your garlic. Congratulations! You've grown your own garlic. Now it's time to enjoy the fruits, or rather bulbs, of your labor. Freshly harvested garlic has a milder, more nuanced flavor than store-bought garlic. Use it in sauces, soups, stews, and more. Roast whole bulbs for a delicious spread. Preserve your garlic by pickling or making garlic-infused oil. The possibilities are endless. Enjoy the taste of homegrown garlic. You've earned it. Happy gardening!